Today I'm going to show you how to make this perspective shadow in Canva. After opening new project, click in the background and change the background color to black. Add new text and type your text. Change the font to Anton. Increase the size. Go to effects, choose neon. Add new page. Go to apps and type craft and choose this app and type the same word and change the font to Anton as well. Change the color to white. Click horizontal and drag the points like this. Click no mirror and drag this point. Click add element to design. Increase a little bit the size. Go to share and download this page. Download it with transparent background. Drag it to the design. Go to flip and flip vertical and try to make it suitable with the text. And go to transparency and decrease the transparency to 50. Go to elements and type gradient graphics and choose this element and make it in the bottom. Duplicate. And here is the final results. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.